Hey guys, it's Kiara from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to continue trying to get a sale on Perpetual Income 365 using my lead gen secrets. Alright, as you can see, I did not get a sale with it yesterday, so we're going to continue on with this product. Keep seeing if we can get a sale here. So we go to eBid and e-marketing here. By the way, I'm going to say this every time. Once you get to this page here, you go to e-business, e-marketing is the best place to get a sale with my lead gen secrets. Right? Make sure I clarify that. If you don't know what my lead gen secrets is, product which you can mail people every single day. You get 100 leads every single day, and it adds up. You continuously get leads until you get a sale. Then you get 200 leads every single day. So I'm at 284,000 leads. Anyway, let's keep it moving. You click eBid and e-marketing. We're just testing out this product because I don't know if I can get a sale with it or not. But you want something that works really well, it's this one, paid social media jobs. That's the one you want to promote if you want to make money for sure. I know this works really well. Alright, let's go to Perpetual Income here. Alright, let's look here. We want email, so skip this. Excuse me. Alright, so we need the new emails, 2021 swipes. So we're gonna try this. Yes, you did it. Copy that, paste it here, put some mailing system. Like that there. Very easy to do, very simple. We just copy paste in here. We're not gonna change much about the email. Now, a friend of mine had a theory in which might help here. Don't try to make it spammy. I know it looks good on my lead gen secrets, but don't do it. Now, that's his theory. He says you probably get more sales if you do that, because they'll end up in the you know when you go to Google, go to your Gmail account, right? When they receive the email, you want it to land in the primary, not the social or promotions. People hardly check promotions, and primary is what people really check the most. I check all of mine, honestly, but you want it to land in primary. And to do that, it can't be spammy type stuff, right? Alright, so got that done. So let's go down here. That's why you say yes, you did it. Don't pick like money like I've been doing. Don't do that. I think apparently I would have gotten even more sales if I didn't do it like that. But that's the theory anyway. I haven't tried it yet, but we'll give it a shot later. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do this, keep it bold here. Hey, have you ever begun? Let's close this. Click here to get started. Yeah, we're gonna make a space for this here. We'll do it like that. Yeah. Click here. Enjoy your money. Okay, this looks fine. So we'll pick here out here. You know what we should do? Let's put an emoji. I think we can put an emoji. Put an emoji here. Let's see if we can put an emoji. Let's put it in the subject here. I think we can. Okay. We'll put a check mark there. Let's see how that works. Okay, everything looks pretty good. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna get our link. I mean here, we'll go with go to Amazon Prime Hook right now, because since it's stating it's the highest converting, we'll focus on it. that, we got the link here. All right, so go here, get started. We put the link in right here. Email GS. We're only using one account, but I recommend 5. 5 tend to do a lot better. Just to let you know. Bold this. Did I bold this? Oh. Right. Okay, we're gonna make sure the links work. Perpetual Income, yeah. Okay, they work. All right, so that's a good email. Let's send it. Get rid of this link, this emoji. Now let's send it. Yeah, that went through. All right, there you go. That's the second product there. Second day anyway. Did not make a sale on the first day. We're gonna try the second day. Like I stated before, I don't know if these products work or not. For sure. So we're gonna test them ourselves and see what I can come up with. And I give it about 7 days. Once I go through 7 days, I pick another product. Or if you guys have figured out another product for me, I pick that product. Try that product. All right. But yeah. I think that's it right there. Right. Now someone left in the comments of my last video of this, they told me to do social media jobs to make money, because they heard that was much more successful, and that's not the goal of this. This is to test stuff I don't know if will work or not, so to speak. I know social media jobs work 100%, right? Because I did it before. I got videos on it already. For 30 days, figured out social media job was probably the best converting one. Over the 30 days I was doing it, I always seem to get sales with social media jobs. But also we need 5 different accounts. That's another thing as well. But we only use 1 account, so we ain't gonna get as many sales as somebody with 5 accounts and can make the reason why we say 5 accounts, so you can make a value income off of it, like enough money to pay for your bills and stuff, around $3,000 a month. Eventually, you ain't gonna do that immediately. You're gonna do that in like month 3 or 4 or something like that. But it's gonna be positive on month 2, I believe. Month 2 gonna end up positive. Month 3 probably make like maybe $500-$600 a month. $500-$600. I'm just trying to lowball it. By month 4, you should be getting real close to like 15 to 20,000. In month 5, 20 to 30. 15, not 15 or 20,000. 15 or 2000. And by month 5, you should be close to 30,000. Month 4 or month 5, you should be about 30,000 if you're using 5 accounts doing this. And if you're starting from the very beginning, because at the very beginning you don't have all your leads built up yet. So yeah, and you kind of focus on social media jobs to do this. It's the best product to use with this promotion here. This product here, right here, it's the best one to use by far, what I found so far. But I'm gonna test stuff that I don't know will work or not. Also, write app reviews work really well as well, but it's the best one. So I'm just testing stuff I don't know will work or not. Anyway, let's go. That's the end of this video here. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all of the things to make sure you stay attached to all my videos. Comment, like. Make sure to note some other products I could try on ClickBank that nobody really done yet. That's the reason I want to do products that I don't know if it'll work or not. But everybody know about social media jobs at this point, but I don't know about other products. That's why I'm trying Perpetual Income 365 for I'm gonna try for about maybe like 5 or 7 days and see if I can get a sale. If I don't get a sale, then I'll try something else. And keep trying different stuff out like that. That was the goal, to just try stuff I don't know for a fact will work. Just to see, I might even find a better product, So yeah. Alright then, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I already said that. Click notification bell. Get y'all the things I do. blank, like, comment, do all stuff. Bye.